Alright, so here we are down the flying field with the FMS 2 metre Extra 330. It's head track FPV. Let's go. Gonna make him sick. You give us a loop. Yep. Not so many rolls, Trev, that's better. Do you just fly a regular flat circuit, Trev? So a nice circuit at that height, Trev. Long knife edge. Nice. And head up and down. Fantastic. So how was that from an FPV perspective, Jason?
Really cool from FPV. I mean, the DJI FPV stuff never lets us down, right? It's really good.
Super quality.
You know, getting a HD stream is miles ahead of the old analog. I still claim that having the canopy on, although it makes the model look nicer, it distorts the image, and it also, the sun reflects off of it, and it's just not as nice to fly as when the canopy's missing. So I think we've tried this before, and we've yet to find a model where the canopy works well, haven't we? So,
yeah, I don't know if we ever will, but it's just one of those things you have to put up with. But it's a good experiment though.
It's so nice. I mean, when you're up there and you're looking around and you're flying about and you can see everything around, it's a totally different part of the hobby.
It's good to fly at line of sight. Trevor was flying it before we actually try flying it FPV. Yeah. But do you think you could fly it FPV?
Yeah, I think if we take the camera out of the canopy, then it would be, you could fly it FPV, no problem.
Oh, or take the canopy off.
Or take the canopy off. Yeah.
That's probably what I'd prefer to do.
Yeah. So canopy off. Perhaps the camera needs to go up a little bit as well.
Oh, okay, interesting.
So, but yeah, it was fantastic.
Great. All right. Thanks for that, mate. Good experiment, and a lot more head-tracked FPV action coming on the Essential RC YouTube channel. What have we got? I've got my FPV head-tracked A10.
Yeah, we've got the Spits.
Spitfires. We're going to be flying formation.
A10s.
A10s will fly formation as
Avanti.
Well. The Avanti will do.
Yeah,
and then what we're ultimately I want to do is fly a turbine jet head-tracked FPV. But we want to fly just some bigger, like 2 metre aerobatic planes, head-tracked FPV together, don't we?
Yeah.
Probably scale models, actually. So if anybody's got any recommendations for what we could use for that, that would be appreciated. Otherwise, please click like if you've enjoyed this video, and click subscribe, and click the bell icon for notifications of our future uploads and live streams. But thanks for watching this one. Thanks, Jason, for that.
See you next time.
And we'll see you next time. Nice.